In this video, we will show you how to change the oil in the oil filter on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Remove the engine cover. You now have access to the oil filter cap. Place a cloth, since the oil may leak out. Using a ratchet, a large extender, and a 24mm socket, release the filter cap by turning it counterclockwise until it turns easily. Finish unscrewing by hand. Remove the cover. Place it in a liquid collector. Open your oil filler cap. This will facilitate the flow of oil when draining. Position yourself under the vehicle. You can see the drain plug. Unscrew the drain plug with the help of a ratchet, an extender, and a long 17mm socket. Start the process with the wrench and finish it off by hand. Be careful on the last few turns, the oil can squirt suddenly. You will have to anticipate this, making sure you have an oil collector on hand. Let the oil run out for about 10 minutes. Replace the drain plug with a new one. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Use brake cleaner and paper towels to clean up any oil that may have leaked. You can order the parts and products used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Remove the oil filter from the cover. Place it in the liquid collector. Using a fairly thin flathead screwdriver, remove the rubber O-ring located under the flange of the cap. Clean the filter cap with brake cleaner and paper towel. Take the O-ring. Replace the seal with the one provided in the new filter box, taking care to oil its surface well. Take the new filter and insert it into the cap. You should hear a click as it locks into place. Put the cover back in place. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Remove the cloth. It is necessary to pour oil back into the motor at this point. This step must be done with care and precision. Use a funnel to prevent oil from leaking out next to the filler hole. It is then necessary to add the oil to the engine. Begin by putting 90% of the suggested amount. This will leave you a large enough margin to adjust the level of oil appropriately. You can find in the tutorial's description the exact quantity of oil recommended for your vehicle. Close the oil fill plug, start the engine, and let the vehicle run for 30 seconds. This will fill the oil filter. Remove the oil dipstick and wipe it down. Plunge it back into its sheath. Remove it again and check the oil level. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. Based on the level indicated on the dipstick, readjust to obtain the optimum amount. Put the engine cover back on. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.